All right, everybody, how are you? Orlando here. So today, during my Ask Me Anything session over on Instagram Live, somebody asked me about my thoughts on Bitcoin. And, why don't we do a video and answer his question? Right? So basically, what I'm looking at here is a couple of things. Let me go to the daily 4-hour chart in Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Right? So basically, first thing is first, Bitcoin is in an extremely bearish market and has been for a while, right? We are looking here at November 2021 highs as the last real high. This market printed about $68,000 per coin, right? Now we are trading at $18,000 per coin. So for some people, this is an extreme 77% discount on Bitcoin. And they might be right. I'm not saying that they might not be right, but in my opinion, I am not the kind of trader that is going to try to find the bottom of a market or the top of a market. That is a great way of burning money, in my opinion, right? So the first thing that I do, I'm actually going to go to the 10-hour chart. It's just to get the entire, a little bit higher, 15-hour chart, just to get the entire, price action that I'm looking at on one single chart. Actually, the daily chart is going to work just fine. Right, the first thing is first. Now, let's look at the market structure, right? Market structure in Bitcoin, right? Extremely bearish. As you can see, every time Bitcoin finds or has found a level that is capping the downside in this market, it later has been broken with. All these lines that I am putting on my daily chart are the previous support levels. Remember, support levels are just levels that cap the downside on a market. But again, Bitcoin has broken with that level again and again. And then again on the latest FTX fiasco like 1 month ago, right? So on the, I'm going to call this the midterm in this chart because I'm going to go even higher to look for the previous key levels in this market, right? Now let's go to the 4-day chart. It's going to be okay. Now, these are the support levels that Bitcoin has broken with from its downfall from all-time highs at 68K. Right, and you can see that here is where people have bought again and again and again, and they have been fucked again and again and again. Now, if we go to the 2017 highs, right, we're going to use the exact highs in 2017 highs. That was the last key level in historic price action. Was exactly the same level that the FTX fiasco brought in sellers to break with, right? Now that that level is no longer in play, my next key level would be June 2019 highs, right? Now, I'm going to color this another color because I'm going to go to the lower time frames. Actually, I'm going to just leave it like that. And I am going to put it's June 2019 highs. June 2019 highs. Right. So let's go to, again, the 4-hour chart in this market. Right. We got June 2019 highs. And on the short term, remember, these are my other key levels. But on the short term, on the 4-hour chart, again, we can see another key level. Not key level, I'm sorry. Another level that is capping the downside, or a new level that is capping the downside in this market, the 59.40 or so. Let's call it a the 15,500, whatever, right? Now, in such a bear market, are you going to look to buy here, knowing very well that every time that Bitcoin has found a level that is capping the downside, price is broken with it because we are in such a bear market? Of course that not. This level right here, again, all I see is eager to buy this market, very weak buyers, just about to get stopped out. And very probably we are going to hit that 14K level to retest those June 2019 highs. Now, am I going to be a buyer here? Of course no, not, because there's no edge in that trade, in the sense that I am not going to be the one that is going to try to catch a falling knife from outer space. Right, so what I want to see here on the daily chart, right? Daily chart is a break of these lows, a retest of this 19 or the 14K level, and the break of this structure. This would mean that for me to start getting long in this market, I would need that sweep of the lows, and then a break of these highs, and then here at this level is where I'm going to start to look for those possible long positions, right? And only if I see this playing out, right? This would give me a possible, my stop losses will be a little bit higher, of course, because I will probably be looking for a 4-hour to an hourly demand zone created after the change of character in this market. That would give me a very nice risk to reward ratio, at least to the 32K or so. That's the only reason, or the only way I would be looking to buy into this bear market. Without a confirmation of not the immediate, because we're looking at the daily chart, of the long-term structure in this market, or a confirmation that the bearish structure has been broken with, I'm not getting long. But there is the possibility that we are going to see these latest longs, right? These latest buyers getting swept, and then we're going to see that move that's going to create the opportunity for me to get long. All right, so here you go. Those are my thoughts in Bitcoin. This is an extremely bearish market. Don't try to catch a falling knife. Bitcoin might be brewing for a pullback, but who knows? No one fucking knows what's going to happen in this market, so don't try to be the hero here. Just wait for confirmation and then look for your entry with a great risk to reward.